So welcome students. In this question you're given that you have a line whose DRs are proportional to 2, 1, 2, which meets these two lines. That is, a line with DRs 2, 1, 2 meets these two lines. If that is so, what should be the coordinates of the points of intersection? So you have two lines. The first line has DRs 1, 1, 1. The second line also. The first line has DRs 1, 1, 1, right? The DRs are 1, 1, 1. And if you take the second line, the DRs are 1, half and half. That is 2, 1, 1. And this line which have DRs is equal to 2, 1, 2 meets these two lines. So let us say that you have two lines and you have a line whose DRs are 2, 1, 2 which meets these two lines at A and B. And you're asked to find this A and B. So the first line has DRs 1, 1, 1 and 2, 1, 1. Now how do we do this? So first what we do is, so let us find some general points on these two lines. So if you equate this to lambda, so the general point on this line, on the line 1, looks like lambda, lambda minus a and lambda. X is equal to lambda, y is equal to lambda minus a, z is equal to lambda. Now if you equate this to mu, the point on the second line looks like mu minus a, mu minus a, mu by 2 and mu by 2, right? So this is a point on the second line, this is a point on the first line. Now let us try to find the DRs of the line AB. So let us take this as the point A, this as the point B. So DRs of AB are nothing but, so you have to subtract one from the other. So lambda minus mu plus a, lambda minus a minus mu by 2, lambda minus mu by 2. So these are the DRs of AB. Now these DRs should be proportional to 2, 1, 2. This implies lambda minus mu plus a by 2 should be equal to lambda minus a minus mu by 2 by 1 is equal to lambda minus mu by 2 by 1. So this has to happen. So now you have two equations and two unknowns. You can find lambda and mu. So if you take the first equation, you have lambda minus mu plus a is equal to 2 lambda minus 2a minus mu. 2 and 2 gets cancelled. So minus mu gets cancelled. So lambda is equal to 3a. Lambda is equal to 3a. And if lambda is equal to 3a, so let us take the second equation. So lambda minus a minus mu by 2 is equal to lambda minus mu by 2. Lambda minus a minus mu by 2 is equal to lambda minus mu by 2. Sorry, you have a 2 here because the DRs are 2, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2. So lambda minus a minus mu by 2 is equal to by 2. So 2 lambda minus 2a minus mu is equal to lambda minus mu by 2. And lambda is equal to 3a. So 6a minus 2a. 4a minus mu is equal to lambda is again 3a minus mu by 2. This implies mu by 2 is equal to a, mu is equal to 2a. Mu is equal to 2a. So once you got lambda and mu, let us find the point of intersection. So what is the point of intersection for A? You just need to put lambda is equal to 3a. So the point is 3a, 3a minus a is 2a comma 3a. That's one point of intersection. The second point of intersection by putting mu is equal to 2a is a and a. So these are the 2 points of intersection which are required. Thank you.